Today, we're taking an in-depth look at WP Travel Engine, a powerful WordPress plugin designed specifically for building travel booking websites. We'll walk you through its key features, setup process, and customization options, so you can decide if this is the right fit for you and your business. WP Travel Engine is a powerful WordPress plugin designed specifically for building travel booking websites. It allows users to create, manage, and showcase travel packages directly from their WordPress dashboard. The plugin streamlines the booking process so that customers can easily search for trips and complete their reservations with focusing on simplicity and efficiency. It eliminates the need for multiple third-party tools, and its intuitive interface makes it accessible even for those who are new to making travel websites. Users have access to its built-in features to handle customer inquiries and bookings all seamlessly. At its core, WP Travel Engine offers a robust set of features that make managing travel packages super easy and straightforward. The plugin allows you to set up various trip details, including itineraries, pricing, dates, and booking options. It supports both free and premium travel packages, making it flexible for different business models. Additionally, the plugin automates email notifications, ensuring that both admins and customers receive timely updates. This rich feature set positions WP Travel Engine as a comprehensive tool for travel website management. Setting up WP Travel Engine is designed to be a smooth process for users with basic WordPress experience. In order to get that plugin in the first place, make sure to use that link down in the description. When you click that link, you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. As you can see, this is WP Travel Engine's website, and it's how you're going to get started with them completely for free. The first thing we're going to do is hit the try free button. Once we hit that button, it will then take us into their setup wizard / sign up page. As you can see, the first thing I have to do is enter in an email address, my first name, and then my last name. Once I do this, the plugin extension will then directly download onto my computer, and I can start setting it up inside of my WordPress website. The installation process begins with obtaining the plugin either from the official WP Travel Engine website or the WordPress plugin repository. But if you want an easier way to access that, we'll have it linked down in the description. All you have to do is simply download it like I just talked about, save the zip file to your computer, and then within your WordPress dashboard, you'll navigate over to the plugin section and use the upload feature to install that plugin. After installation, clicking the activate button adds WP Travel Engine to your website and makes its settings available. The plugin immediately presents an onboarding wizard that simplifies further configuration. Once the plugin is activated, you're prompted to configure essential settings, such as currency, email notifications, and page assignments. Payment gateway configuration is another critical aspect of WP Travel Engine, and the plugin addresses this during onboarding. By providing multiple payment options, the plugin caters to diverse customer preferences. This focus on secure and flexible payment solutions enhances the overall user experience on your travel website. For those interested in more premium features, WP Travel Engine offers a range of upgrade options that unlock advanced functionalities. Upgrading provides access to additional customization options, premium themes, and enhanced booking features. The premium plans often include advanced modules such as detailed itinerary management, multi-currency support, and priority customer support. With these plans, travel agencies can offer a more robust and professional service for their customers. The plugin's pricing is also structured to cater to both small startups and larger established travel businesses. Users can choose from various plans based on the number of bookings and the level of customization required. Overall, the premium upgrades add significant value for businesses serious about their online travel presence. Customization is also a major strength of WP Travel Engine, as it offers extensive options to tailor the look and feel of your travel website. The plugin comes with a selection of pre-designed themes that are optimized for travel booking and can be easily customized to match your brand aesthetics. Additionally, WP Travel Engine supports shortcodes and widgets, allowing you to integrate booking forms and trip listings into any of your pages. Integration with travel themes and demo content is also another notable feature of WP Travel Engine. The plugin provides recommendation themes that work seamlessly with its functionalities, offering a quick start for users. Demo content import allows you to also set up a fully designed travel site with pre-built pages and trip examples. The demo sites are fully customizable so that you can replace placeholder content with your very own details. Moreover, the plugin integrates with popular WordPress tools to enhance site performance and search engine optimization. This smooth integration of themes and demo content is designed to accelerate your site and launch process. User experience with WP Travel Engine is also generally positive, thanks to its intuitive dashboard and clear documentation. The plugin's interface is designed to be straightforward, making it easy to manage trips, bookings, and customer inquiries. Many users appreciate the responsive customer support and active community forums. The overall design and functionality of WP Travel Engine contribute to a smooth, user-friendly experience. Now that we've talked about all of its features, let's get into some of the pricing. If you take a look at WP Travel Engine's website, and if you use that link down in the description, you're going to to be getting a really good discount when getting started with them. As you can see, they have two main option categories. They have an annual pricing category and a lifetime pricing category. Now, the lifetime, it basically means that you pay for this once and you'll never have to pay for it again. No monthly subscription fees. You'll always have access to this software. If we head over to the annual option, we can see that there are a ton of different things that we can choose from for a very affordable price. As you can see, we have their development company option, their travel agency option, their growth option, and their personal option. If we look at the best deal here, which is going to be about $132 in saving, it's going to be their travel agency option. This is going to get us access to a ton of amazing features that we can use for our travel agency. Things like their advanced itinerary builder, their form editor, currency converter, trip weather forecaster, trip fixed starting dates, per trip emails, email customizer, and their pickup points. If we look at their marketing options, we'll also get access for partial payment access, user history, trip embedder, and a booking fee. There's also upsell options, lead capture options, and more conversion options to make sure that people are consistently going through your funnel and you're closing them in the process. If we scroll even further down here, we also have some of their travel themes that are also worth about $177, but you're getting them with this plan here. As you can see, we'll hit the get started button once we pick which plan we end up wanting to go with, which will then take us to their checkout page. Once we're on their checkout page, we then simply enter in our email address, our first name, our last name, select our payment method, enter the payment details, and then hit the purchase button. After we've done all of that, we'll officially have access to WP Travel Engine so we can get started with building our website. Also, just to show you guys the exact look of the folder that you're going to get once you hit that download button, this is what you're going to see. They're going to give you a couple of really helpful things like these assets here, which are both coded in JavaScript and CSS, as well as the build options where we can have pre-built things inside of actual coding software and other places that you can code these in. We can also take a look at the headers and see that there are a bunch of pre-coded headers that we can use, as well as a bunch of other pre-coded assets that we can use in any part of the website in any way we see fit. If we go down here, we can also have this README tab, which is a great way to get an actual introduction into what you need to do as far as what it takes to upload this to your WordPress dashboard and how to actually get it functioning with your WordPress website. There's also other things that give you a complete breakdown of how to uninstall the app and how to make it actually work with existing systems that you have. And that's pretty much it for WP Travel Engine. If you guys have questions about this software or platform, comment them down in the comments section. Also, if you've ever used this before, let me know as well. I always love to know what your guys' thoughts are on these types of systems and software platforms. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you guys never miss any of our future videos. Also, use those links down in the description as they help support the channel and you're going to get those great discounts that we showed you inside of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.